everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a pink summer coloring and theme tutorial. So the coloring is not mine, so don't give credits to me. But without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto Instagram and you want to use the pixie dust filter. You're going to get your video and then you're going to use the effect pixie dust and you're going to add this 2 times. And then you're going to go back onto Instagram and you are going to use the filter ethereal, so ethereal once, and it should end up looking like this. And then you're going to go ahead and save the video. Next you're going to go on to Prequel, and I'll put the settings up for Prequel up on the screen. Next, you're going to click onto filters and you're going to search up the filter red flavor. And the settings for this are 65 for filter, 10 for sharpen, and 50 for clarity. And then you're going to click onto effects and you're going to do Stardust. And everything is 0 except for scatter. So you're going to put scale, rotation, and filter all to 0. Except for scatter, which scatter can stay at that. I'm just going to fix the filter a bit because of the lighting. It makes the video look very interesting. And then you can go ahead and just save the video. And then this is for the theme. So I just made a simple theme for this one because I've been liking simple themes lately because I feel like they look good with colorings that are like, what's it called? Like shimmery, glowy. You know, like that have a lot of shine. So for this coloring, for this theme, you are going to the font we're going to use will be up on the screen. So that font is going to be for the question, I guess you can use. So like you can write like the first half of the question and then the second half on the bottom. So you're going to make the text white and then the stroke with the color, and I'll leave the color code up on the screen. And you're going to curve it to 10. And then you're going to write the second half of the question on the bottom. But this time you are going to make the stroke a different color, which for that the color code will also be up on the screen. So I'm just going to make this like a little smaller. And then I'm going to use the font Beauty and the Beast, and I'm going to add not a bracket, but, well, it is a bracket, but this little thing, I don't know what it's called, so like just spare me. And I'm gonna use, so on the top I used like the pink color, so this time on the top I'm gonna use the green color, and on the bottom I'm gonna use this like pink red ish color instead of the green. So I hope that makes sense. And then I'm gonna do the other bracket and I'm gonna put that on the top. So I hope it makes more sense now that you see it. But here's how it should look like. And yeah, that is it for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!